Well, hello everyone, that is Dutch_KSA. We have here a BMW X5 F15 2014 model. We're going to be replacing today the head unit, the screen. It's the standard, the original one. And we're going to be replacing it with the new 8.1 Android system. This screen is exactly the same one to the original one that is fitted here, but this one is touchscreen, is an Android system, so it has Google, YouTube, just exactly like a tablet or like Android phone. So you'll be able to use your iPhone with an adapter over here that will make it CarPlay, Apple CarPlay. So let's start. I've been waiting to do this for a long time.